If you I keep bro trying to start off. Yo, we're just back testing again. This time with a cam, and it's pure like no professional equipment, so it's probably gonna lag. It's probably gonna be bad quality. It's probably gonna be the worst resolution ever, but we gotta deal with it. So yeah, that's what we got up to last night. Yeah, it's last night. It's the it's 9:30 p.m. So let's see what's going on. This is Thursday. Just started 22nd. First things first. Forex Factory. 22nd. Uh, yep, red folders. So won't trade that day. Let's check Friday. Friday we're good. Got orange, but hey, we'll see. FX replay. So wait till Friday. Change to 1 hour. Second. Friday 11. I was gonna make game. Making that feel really fast. Can we button kind of slide off? It's a good thing we did not trade. Yeah, it's a good thing we didn't trade. Stood there for 5 minutes. Same strat. Feel me? Mark our areas of liquidity, potential liquidity, and yeah, put this there. Mute this. Wait for 1 p.m. Yo 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 yo. Oh, hold on. Yeah, we just made it. Alright, so we'll go back 1 hour. First we'll check daily bias. Uh, okay, just not working for some reason. Yeah, so it's a nice bullish candle. Then I check 4 hours, see if there's any fair value gaps. That's Thursday, Friday starts. Yeah, okay. Um, okay, we'll get rid of this. Get rid of that. Let's just get rid of all drawings while we're here. Okay, 4 hour fair value gap. First of all, we've got one here. That would be inverse, so it would be green. We'll put it to. Yeah, we'll put it to here. Yeah. I mean, I guess, but that's. We got this one as well. Don't know if there's a quick mark in it, but that off you. Again. Now let's go 1 hour. Yeah, already. What? That's Thursday. Um. Okay, yeah, now let's mark out areas, previous session highs and lows. So far, we are on a high. Let me get rid of this fair value gap, just to, clear the noise. One fair value gap here. It's gonna be a lot of fair value gaps today. One fair value gap there. Mark out highs and lows. Uh, it's the low, and so far this is the high. Alright, so same game plan as usual. Wait for, yeah, we go to 5 minutes. Wait for this high to be swept, but I don't know if it's actually gonna sweep at this one. There's another fair value gap here that I should mark. Yeah, so I think what's probably gonna happen is goes up, takes this high, and then retraces back into here, consolidates a bit, then into this one, and potentially into here, and then shoots up. But we're not going to be risky with it. Yeah, so that's actually the highest candle so far. So it's not looking good, but we'll play it. So far, respected fair value gap. Okay, this was disrespected now. So that's a good sign so far. Okay, respecting this fair value gap, consolidating. Okay, back into. Guess that's another green. Oh, okay. Yeah, just low-key consolidating. There's good uptrend here that support resistance traders could take. I've been noticing for the past month there's been quite a lot of support resistance as it goes on. Um, yeah, so since about here, that's when it's been. So you took out this low and an uptrend. So now I'm looking for taking this high, which is what we were originally looking for, and then look for signs of reversal. So bounced off. Alright, that's a good sign, but it's 5:30 right now. Don't know if this is a good time to trade, but let's check the price range as well. Oh, okay, that is a good trade. I guess we could take. But I'm gonna wait for one more candle to see if we'll take that. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take it. And I'm gonna short. I'm gonna aim for this because this is low. This is a low that it could potentially take out. So I'll do it just there. 9 pips. That's calm. Now let's look for. There's no actual areas there, so technically you could even leave the stop loss there. Ooh, but yeah, looking at 15 minutes, this doesn't. Let's check 1 hour. What happened? Took this down. Yep, smashed into this fair value gap. You know what? I'm gonna take this just because if I fail this, then it's a lesson learned. If I don't, then it's just gonna be like it's not gonna add that emotional value. So hence why I'm gonna take this trade, and I'm gonna try be me. Okay, I'll use my phone. I'm gonna use risk management here. Um, Back of the calc. So how much is this? This is a 10k account. Well, right now we're at 9.4k. But 10k account, we're risking 10% per trade. No, 1%. Sorry. Yeah, sorry, 1%. So that's 100. So we're risking 100. That's 2.9. So x times 2.9 equals 100. So 100 divided by 2.9 is the lot size, which is 34.48. So 34.5, which is we'll do 35. 35 pounds. So that would be 0.3435. We'll do 4 just to be safe. I definitely, yeah, this trade is definitely not A plus, but we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it. Just give me a second. Yeah, I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna play. Yo. Oh, I forgot to actually take the trade. Oh, yeah. And now that I'm looking at it, is it did respect the yeah, the 5 minute fair value gap, so I wouldn't have won that. But yeah, I guess that is a lesson learned, bro. I need to actually buy, so the click buy or so. Let's just see what would have happened though, if it would have hit the stop loss or consolidate right now. I think it's gonna hit stop loss because it's still kind of a uptrend. E Now it's just pure consolidation, downtrend. Oh gosh. Okay, here we go. Does it have a chance of hitting the stop loss? Oh, okay. That is a good trade. I'll give it. We would have made that. How much would we would have made? 30. Okay. Where's the calc? 34 times 9.81. 300. That's alright. That's alright. That would have been a good trade. But look at the time. Yeah, that is definitely. It wouldn't be a good setup, good trade just because of timing and yeah. But I mean the trade worked, but we're not gonna let that get to our heads because it wasn't a good trade that would have taken. Let's just back to removal drawings. Go back to 4 hours. Let's go this. Forex Factory, 23rd. 24th Saturday, 25th Sunday, 26th. Ooh, okay. Monday. There's barely any news. Or it's bank holiday. So let's see if that affects the market at all. I was swimming gang, we do that feel too. I was killed, bro, trying to slide, I don't feel you. Um, Monday, let me just speed this up real quick. Ooh, okay. Yeah, there you go. I was swimming gang, we do that feel too. I was killed, bro, trying to slide, I don't feel you. Um, you just check up on the live stream. Yo, we got Caleb, bro. You if you're still watching, sorry, I don't really see like the chat until I go on my phone and I actually like thing. I see it. But what a goal, man. Why don't I listen to music while backtesting? Realistically, I would. I definitely would have. But because I'm kind of live streaming, it's more of a case of if I do that, then I'm just gonna be in my own world. I won't really be providing no content for the. You feel me? But yeah, let's get back into it. Would really like his message actually, if I can. Okay, I just lost. Okay, I can't like it. Where was I? Yeah, then we'll go 1 hour. There's not really much to see. We'll go. Okay, we'll just do one more. Okay. Okay, here we go again. Last session, lows, highs. I'm gonna change the highs and lows. Um, up to there. Highs. Aim for this, which is very likely going to get taken out. So, realistically, if you really wanted to, I was. Why is it 4? It's only 2 p.m. We could have. I would have said we could have aimed. Could have longed it here. That's where it would have started. Even though it's at 5 pips. And lower the stop loss. That would have been a bad trade anyway. But so now we're going to same game plan. Wait for it to hit the low. Sorry, the high. Look for signs of reversal, and then enter. Look for areas of liquidity. There we go. And I was look at 1 hour real quick. There is a big fair value gap though. Let's check 4 hours. Ooh, yeah, 4 hours is calm. Yeah, so there's a big 1 hour fair value gap. And but that is a line. But we are actually in a bearish fair value gap as well. We're in a bearish one as well. So what is I personally think would be a good trade We short it here with obviously with confluences. Yo, why is it so? Oh, to the bottom. Not aiming for that. I mean, we could, but we're not here for all of that. Oh, okay, okay. Right now, I'm thinking. Oh, I need a chair. Right now, I'm thinking. Um, it's probably gonna, you know, go down from there, and then we would see if it respects the fair value gap or not. If it does, then it could be take profit. If it doesn't, then it's probably going to, go down, but then pull back before it goes down. And when it pulls back, that I guess would have been our entry. Let's check from here to here. Yeah, that's about 10. Is there a chance of that happening? Probably not. But I would personally say this would be a good trade to take, but not at this entry right now. Gain. Okay. Ooh, okay. Yeah, that would have been a good entry point. Yeah, I just missed out on my whole entry. Oh. Yeah, but yeah, so far it's respecting the fair value gap. So that is a good sign. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Did it hit the stop loss? Yeah, it did. Well, okay, so good thing we didn't make that trade then. But now that is a perfect, okay, it's not perfect, but it's a good sign for a reversal. Oh, I guess that's a fair value gap, but this is a good, oh, okay. So this is a pure short-term trade that I'm gonna take. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. So stop loss. Yeah, I'm aiming for 1 pip here because that's what we all aim for. Gonna aim for the fair value gap, but we're not gonna. Technically, it should. That's 5 minutes as well. Let's check 1 hour real quick. Uh, ooh, there's a good short. We could aim for this, which, in my opinion, would be better, but we don't know if it's gonna if it's gonna respect this fair value gap or not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it just below, and then we'll see if it respects the fair value gap. Then we'll do a manual close. If not, then yeah, we'll just yeah. If it doesn't respect it, then I'll change take profit to down here. So let me check. So risk 1%, so that's 100 in this. So 100 divided by 2.418, 41.35, or just do 41. 0.41. We're selling this time, sell, but we need to add stop losses and stuff. How do I do this again? Edit. Yeah. Take profit. What's my take profit? 333.8. 621. And stop loss is 3344.595. Save. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is it's confirmed now. There's no going back now. We either win or we lose. But before that, even though this is backtesting, most important part is to pray before you take the trade. So, just gonna pray quickly. Oh man. So, let's go for it. Feel too. Yo, it's just consolidating, bro. Let me just speed this up real quick. Yo, that's close to this. Yo, yo. What's the time? Yeah, you shouldn't have taken this trade. 6. And then this is Monday. Okay. Oh, okay. Hey, man. We learned from the losses. That was an important trade to take because we learned that there's no ego here. We remain humble. So same thing. Let's go again. Next. This is bank holiday. Forex Factory. Let's check Tuesday. Tuesday USD. There's orange. Drupal goods. Drupal goods. Consumer confidence. Yeah, we'll do. Yeah, I'll be honest. I I still need to go eat. I haven't even had dinner yet. It's about 10:03. Um, so I'm probably going to do. Let me see how long this trade's been going on for actually. The live stream. Um, it's only half an hour. I'll try do 2 or 3 more days. I'll try to do that. Oh yeah, I'll try. Monday, Tuesday 11. Oh, hold on. There's no way that happened overnight. Okay, no. No way. That is good news. Okay. Ooh, okay. We'll see into the bigger picture here. So I'm guessing it's a bullish, sorry, bearish. Oh, yeah, nice and strong. Guesses are right now it will first of all take this, then this one, then this one, and whilst it says tap into the fair value gap, shoot up. So realistically, the long-term traders put that in here. How much is that? 30 pips. You just put that. Low, you put that there. Hey man, but we won't do that because that's not what we're here for. Previous session lows and highs is 11 changed. Yeah, let me go 1 minute actually, just to make sure I get this bang on time. London session, what time is it? 59. Okay, we just had 1 hour. Go. That is exactly 12. And it will mark out highs and lows. It's on 1 hour. Alright. I was making it. Did I feel to ask you about? Okay. Gonna put on for 7. How much pips is this? 30 pips. About 25 actually. Okay. 5 minutes so far. 5 minute time frame. Downtrend. I'm thinking might be a consolidation for a bit, but eventually it's gonna hit. Oh, actually, no, no, no. I need to position that better. Okay. So I'm gonna wait for a bit more of a trace back till it gets around this level. Then I'm gonna go for a short. Is a short worth it? Question mark. Let's say I'll go there. Yeah, about 8 pips. Hey man, we gotta get one. Okay, okay. We're not getting one win. We're not aiming for that because that's forcing trades. We can't do that. So yeah, 5 minutes. Wait for like a couple more candles. Ooh, that's a good one. Ooh, ooh, no, no. Okay, 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 okay. I should have like started from there, but ooh, the question is it going to take out the low or not? Or because this took out this low, this took out this low, this took out that low. So is it gonna continue? Most likely yes. So do we take the trade? Yes or no? Flip a coin, and it's yes because that's what I'm thinking, right? And so far from the last trade that I took, what you gotta learn is that what I thought was wrong. So I need to refine my thoughts into my refine my analytical thinking. So if this is wrong, then I'll learn, okay, that's not always the case. So I'll aim for just there. Oh, 10 pips, okay. This is a fair value gap actually, so could put it just above there actually. That's a good trade to take, I guess. But the question is it still gonna consolidate or is it I'm just gonna I'll put it up here because I don't feel too comfortable putting the stop loss that small. But yeah, 1 to 2.8, we'll do that. And once again, uh, calc, calc, risk in 1%. So yeah, I did risk 1%. 1%. So 100 divided by 3.729, 26.8. 26.8. And we're selling. Did it make the trade? Oh, okay. Can I like? Okay, okay. Edit, highlight, go to position close, journal. How do I journal this? What's gonna be Ooh, that's a good thing, but I'm gonna be honest, I can't be asked to do that now. We'll just edit it. Stop loss, no, sorry, take profit. 3287.869. Stop loss 3301.998. Save. Okay. Once again, we gotta check this. We gotta pray. Alright, so let's play, man. Hopefully you don't get stopped out. If we do, another lesson learned. Oh god. I mean, fair play. Fair play. I just lost 200 in the last like 20 minutes. Good thing it's backtesting because I don't clickbait. Uh, let me speed this up actually. See, once I took this loss, I wouldn't take another trade for the day. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna speed this up and see if it actually hits the. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So what did it take up? I mean, so this fair value gap. Oh gosh, that would have been a good setup if I took it from sure. If I took it from here, then I aim for this. Yo, hold on. 15 pips? That would have been good. Just put that just above there. That would, yeah, yeah, that would have been a very good trade to make. But unfortunately, we didn't make it. So, what's the lesson learned? The lesson learned is to look at the bigger picture, because when I took it over here, I was looking for areas on the left. I thought, yo, like the fair value gap, I thought goes down. It did go down. Tapped into, yeah, just tapped into it there, went down, but then it consolidated because this wasn't strong enough. This was stronger, so price was attracted there. So that's also a thing that there's another one here to be honest. That's way stronger. I think that might have been the no, yeah, it's probably this one. But point is to look at the whole thing. Don't look at just the smaller ones here. Look at the bigger ones and just read the whole room, not just half the room. You know? So that's one day that I've done. We took the loss, take on it, chin. We move on next day. Go to all drawings. Oh yeah, let's check. I can't. I think I'm just gonna do another day. Yeah, another day. We're gonna see if it works. USD, yeah, USD red folder. Not May 28th. Let's check May 29th. USD, yep. May 30th. Oh, nope, there's a red folder. USD. Saturday, Sunday. Oh, yeah, Friday there was a red. Yep, that's Friday 30th. Okay, Saturday and then Sunday. Yes, that's low key. the whole month done. Quick review on the whole month. Last 30 candles or so. April, May. Yeah, it's about from here onwards. Yo, so overall, the I guess you could call this the first so what chapter, I guess. First chapter backtesting. Started on 10k, lost how much did I lose? How did I get 5.9? Yeah, started on 10k, lost about 8.5k. Sorry, not 8.5, 8.500. 800, 8,000. Oh. Started on 10k, lost about 850. Overall, definitely not profitable, but lesson learned. I'm, getting better. I would say I've gotten better with the strategy, the analysis, because today was not a good session on backtesting, right? Didn't make a single win, took three losses, but that's three lessons learned. You feel me? When you progress, that doesn't mean the next day you're going to be 10 times better, but that means over time make less losses until all you do is just make wins. So on that note, definitely in terms of profitability, not a good day, but in terms of learning, good day. So what I want to do actually just before I go, market predictions. FTMO, sorry, not this. Let's go. Let's go gold. I need to get rid of all of these drawings. 53 drawings. It's diabolical. Yes, remove all drawings. Alright. So daily. Fair value gap here tapped into this also tapped into it, but went up. I'm saying Loki maybe another little tap, but then looking at a bullish hourly. Yeah, that's looking like you could sell potentially aim for maybe this. Yeah, that's a good short. Where we at here? Okay, we're not actually there, but what was I saying? We're in this fair value gap, so aim just above there. You could aim for this low, or you could even aim for here, for just below. But I think safest target, aim for here. If you want to really be safe, aim for that. 14 pips, still very good. Risk reward 1 to 2.2. You could actually, that is 1 to 1. Ooh, this is a this is how you know I've learned. Okay, from what I just did, I didn't look at the whole picture. He got his one bearish fair value gap, so potentially what price could do, rise up, hit into first of all hit our stop loss, then tap into this, and then go down. Because also this fair value gap, but because inverse, so now that's also a bearish fair value gap. So realistically now, um, let me price. I think will kind of first of all go up. Okay, why is okay? Let me just go green. Okay, so prediction that price will go up into around, put it in the middle of that range. Then potentially this is a inverse as well. So you could aim for here maybe TP1, TP2. Remove. Okay, you get the message, but overall, yeah, I'm too tired. Um, yeah, gonna start being more consistent. So because I finished the month on FX Replay in May and about to start the next month, what I'm going to do is restart. Oh, this is daily. Oh, February. Yeah, since the last 2 months, it's been pretty, yeah, 530 pips. But yeah, the plan is now from what I've kind of learned, because now I'm in a way I'm kind of cheating because I've seen the market now. It's fresh in my memory. So I'm gonna try and re-back test all of May again, whilst we're going into June, and just hopefully improve there. So I'm just gonna keep playing this. End of back testing. No, I don't want to subscribe. Simulation has finished. Show me analytics. Don't even want to see this. I've just lost everything. Yeah, so 940. Yeah. Threshold limit. I mean, if guys want to see losses, wins, yeah, 0 wins. Yeah, it's called. Uh, buy sells, mainly doing sales. Performance by session, out of session. What? The number of trades you took on every session, or amount of sessions you're taking a trade on. Okay, New York, New York, New York, New York. Well, I mean, that is the performance by day, by calendar. We don't need all of that. But yeah, that's gonna be a BT. More of the story. Lesson learned. Gonna come back. Not tomorrow. Not the day after. Or the day after. I've got exams. So Wednesday, potentially Wednesday after school. Not school. After my exam, I could. But I don't know. But it's been a couple.